guys ready for another taste test? And this time you guys ready to see me cry like a little baby? I don't know. So this is Jeff's Famous Jerky. This is Pacific Red Hot Chili Pepper. I don't know if it's going to be crazy hot or not. I've had the Ghost Pepper from them, Jerky, and that was pretty hot. Hold on, I gotta get this bag open. So this is a Spartan. This is a part of their special edition series. On the heat index, it's a 4 out of 5. Medium heat or medium hot. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Oh man, I don't even think we got milk. Maybe we won't need it. So this is the consistency. Kind of reminds me of the original Jerky they have consistency. Don't forget to use the code 10OFF. All right, guys. It's delicious, for one. It's got a little kick. Nothing major yet. That's good. So, it's got a kick. You can feel it in the back of your throat. But it's not like the Ghost Pepper. I mean, it's hot though. But I kind of want another piece. But I am eating soon, so I don't want to ruin my appetite for lunch. But that's good. I like that a lot. If you're wondering about the kick, I think it's the perfect heat. It's not like that you gotta quick go get a drink or something, or eat something else, bread or whatever. But it has a kick. So it reminds me if you were to put like a little bit of cayenne pepper on your food. That's kind of how it reminds me, but that's good. That's delicious, guys. As far as my rating goes, even though it's hot, I'm not a big hot person. It still gets a 4-star rating. 4 out of 1 through 5, it gets a 4. Oh my goodness. Guys, I tell you, don't stay up 2 a.m. working. So, anyway, Jeff's Famous Jerky gets a slap pass. I mean, that is hot. That's awesome. I love it. I love Jeff's Jerky. And hopefully I get a chance to do more flavors or do repeats and do updates and stuff. But love Jerky, guys. I love it.